subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
About a month ago in February, we saw a leak related to the Moto E5 Plus, which was posted by the event Glass. The render revealed every single design in detail, and today we got the first hands-on image of the device. Just as the render revealed, the phone packs with a beautiful design with the glossy back panel as well as the sides, and also there is an 18:9 display on the front. As the image shows here, the Moto E5 Plus has an 18:9 display with rounded corners, but the bezels though are not very thin. They are on-screen buttons and the fingerprint scanner embedded into the Moto logo on the rear panel at a position that we all wanted for any Motorola device. Motorola has tried to make its 2018 phones look like the Moto X4 of the last year, and for some reason the E5 Plus has a camera setup similar to the X4. Keeping in mind that there is only a single camera on the rear and the other one is a laser autofocus. All this including the LED flash which is present in a single module. There is a glossy back finish which makes the phone look premium, although it is a budget-friendly phone. There is an LED flash present for the front camera too. The micro USB port is present on the bottom, whereas the headphone jack is on the top. The speaker is most probably present within the earpiece on the front. The specifications of the Moto E5 Plus are not yet known, and the launch is expected to be happening pretty soon. So, what are your thoughts about the Moto E5 Plus? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.